Ethical Hacking for Absolute Beginner series, we're going to be performing every attack using an operating system called Kali Linux. So for that reason, of course, we're going to be needing Kali Linux. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining you how to install Kali Linux. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, we're going to actually install Kali Linux as a virtual machine. We're going to use it as a virtual machine and not as a host machine. And we're going to actually use a virtual box so that we could install Kali Linux as a virtual machine. And guys, if you don't know what virtual box is, okay, let me just explain you what is a virtual box and what is its use. So virtual box is something like, you can actually use number of different operating systems in a single computer, but as a virtual machine. So it's basically something like using number of different laptops with different operating systems. But here we're going to use all different operating systems in a single computer as a virtual machine so that we could work on it parallelly at a time in the same computer, and that is the use of virtual machine. And here in this video we're going to be actually installing Kali Linux operating system as a virtual machine using VirtualBox. So for that reason, first we're going to need to install VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. So let me just show you how to install Oracle VirtualBox so that we can install Kali Linux later into that VirtualBox and make Kali Linux as a virtual machine. Okay, got it? Okay, let's just install VirtualBox for now. So open your favorite browser. So for me it's Google Chrome, so let me just open it, and right here go to google.com, and right here type in Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, Oracle VirtualBox, and right here the first link, tap on it, and right here go to downloads, tap on downloads, and here you can actually install VirtualBox. So the present version of VirtualBox is 5.1.14, and I'm going to be downloading VirtualBox for OS X host because I'm using Mac. And if you are using Windows, just tap on this link and it will be downloaded. So I'm just going to be tapping on this. So it started downloading. Great. So guys, it's now downloaded, and right here I can see the file. And what you need to do is just double tap on this. So double tap on this and it's opening. Great. And right now what you need to do is you need to double tap on this virtualbox.pkg. So just double tap on this and continue install, and here you need to type password for your Mac. So let me just type in my password. I'm not going to be saying it out, so it's secret, guys. So install software. And guys, if you're using Windows, what you need to do is probably you will be getting .exe file when you actually download it. And what you need to do is just double tap on this and keep on tapping on next so that at the end the VirtualBox will be installed in your Windows. That's it. And for Mac, I just showed it to you. So what you need to do is just close it. And guys, now VirtualBox is actually installed in your host machine. And for me, okay, let me just show you where is my VirtualBox. Okay, let me just tap on this launchpad so that I could find my VirtualBox, and there it is. Here is my VirtualBox. So tap on VirtualBox. So there it is. Yeah, this is my VirtualBox. And guys, if you can see here, there's something like Hadoop and Kali Linux in my VirtualBox, which you may probably not see in your VirtualBox. And that is because you may be using VirtualBox for the first time, but for me, I'm using VirtualBox since a long time. I've installed this Hadoop and Kali Linux operating systems, like before 2 months or 3 months, and that's the reason you're actually seeing it right here in my VirtualBox. And for you, I think it's empty. You can actually see nothing because nothing is actually installed till now into your VirtualBox. Okay, so guys, as we now install VirtualBox, right now we need to install Kali Linux so that we could use Kali Linux as a virtual machine. And now let me just show you how to install Kali Linux as a virtual machine using this VirtualBox. Okay, so let's go. So open up Google Chrome again. Okay, not Google Chrome, any of your favorite browsers. Okay, for me it's Google Chrome. Okay, well, so open a new tab. Okay, so right here type in Kali Linux. So Kali Linux, enter, and tap on the first link, https //www.kali.org, and then what you should see on your search bar. HTTPS. Okay. Oh, it's loading for a long time, and what's that reason? My internet connection is too slow and I hate it. Okay, this is the website that you should actually see. Okay, this is the website. So it's still loading. Okay, it's loaded. Now what you need to do is tap on downloads, download Kali Linux. So tap on download Kali Linux, and right here what you need to do is just scroll down. Just scroll down, and right here you can actually see Kali Linux VMware images, Kali Linux VirtualBox images, and Kali Linux Hyper-V images. And right now, as we install VirtualBox, we need to download images for our VirtualBox, obviously. So just tap on this, and right here tap on Kali Linux 64-bit VBox, that is VirtualBox. So tap on this link and this will be downloaded. So guys, just pause the video, and after the download gets finished, come back again and just tap on the play button. And guys, now the download is finished, and right now here you can see the downloaded file. Kali Linux 2016.2 VirtualBox AMD4.OVA. So this is the downloaded file, and what you need to do now is just double tap on this. That's it. So double tap on the file, and here it's saying the name of the operating system is Kali Linux, product Kali Linux, and product URL, vendor, and that's it. So what you need to do is just tap on this import button. So import. That's it. So right now it's actually importing Kali Linux operating system into your VirtualBox so that you could use Kali Linux as virtual machine. So let's just wait so that it could complete its importing process. And guys, now the importing is done. And right now you can actually use your Kali Linux virtual machine. But before that, let me just show you some settings. So just tap on this settings button, make sure that the Kali Linux operating system is selected, and later tap on this settings button, and right here you can see the name of your operating system and it's Kali Linux. And if you go to system settings, here you can see the base memory given is 2048 MB, that is 2 GB, and that's quite enough, no need to change it. And if you go to processor, you can actually change the number of processor working, and here it's given 2, and that's quite enough, no need to change it as well. So if you go to display, no need, storage, audio, network, yeah, I'm going to be talking about this particular section in the upcoming video, that is probably next video. For now, just close it. Okay, and now let's start our Kali Linux machine for the first time. So just tap on this green button, it looks awesome. So just tap on this, and there you go. Now you need to type in some username and password so that you could actually get into your Kali Linux virtual machine. So let me just close this, and the username is root, ROOT, and password will be reverse of root, that is TOOR. That's it. Sign in. So let me just resize it. And guys, this is Kali Linux, and here this is the operating system that we are going to be using to perform every attack from now in this ethical hacking for absolute beginner series. So guys, in the next video I'm going to be actually giving you an overview about this particular Kali Linux operating system so that you could get familiar in using it. Okay, and guys, if you have incurred any kind of error when installing this VirtualBox or Kali Linux, just comment down below and I'll respond to you as fast as I can. And that's it.